In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close all layers in Figma with one click using a handy shortcut. If you're a designer working in Figma, you know how easily things can get cluttered when you have multiple layers open. Keeping your workspace organized can significantly improve your efficiency and overall design experience. So let's dive right in and make that happen. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and go to Figma's official website. Figma is a collaborative interface design tool that's widely used for creating intuitive and engaging designs. If you're not already using it, I highly recommend giving it a try. Once you're on the Figma website, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't yet have an account, take a moment to create one, which will allow you to save your work and collaborate with others seamlessly. After logging in, you'll be directed to the homepage. Here on the Figma homepage, you'll have access to your recent files and shared projects. Now find and click on the Design tab within your dashboard. This will take you to the workspace where all the magic happens, a place where creativity comes to life and where you'll be implementing today's tip. Now that you're in the design interface, look for the Layers panel. This is usually located on the left side of your screen. The Layers panel displays all the elements present in your current design, and this is precisely where the clutter can accumulate. It's important to know that organizing layers isn't just about tidiness. It helps you manage and navigate your projects more effectively. Once you've got the Layers panel in view, it's time to focus on the specific action we're aiming for, collapsing all layers with just one click. Direct your attention towards the top of the Layers panel. You should see an icon or a label that indicates the option to collapse layers. Clicking on this option will instantly close all open layers, giving your workspace a cleaner and more organized appearance. This simple action can save you a considerable amount of time that you might otherwise spend manually closing each layer. Remember, organizing your layers not only enhances your personal workflow but also improves the collaborative experience, making it easier for team members to navigate complex projects. And that's it! With just a couple of steps, you've successfully learned how to close all layers in Figma with a single click. By keeping your workspace organized, you'll be able to focus more on what really matters, designing impactful and engaging interfaces. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it helps boost your productivity within Figma. Thanks for watching and happy designing.